In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset forward rounded shoulders with a move that you probably haven't seen before. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe here at SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. In today's world, rounded forward shoulders are becoming a very big problem. Think just using cell phones, driving, you name it. Our posture is always leaning forward. That puts a lot of strain into the shoulder capsule and draws it forward or anterior. So what we're going to focus on is a really easy way to bring those shoulders back, reduce a lot of muscle tension in there, and hopefully reset those shoulders and give you a lot of pain relief. The great part is this does not require any special equipment, can be done pretty much anywhere, at home, at work, you name it. So let's get started with it. So before we begin, I want to note that this is not intended for anybody that has shoulder instability or has had complete shoulder replacement surgeries, or any surgery for that matter. If you have rotator cuff issues, major issues into the shoulder, this is not designed for it, so don't even ask. If you have to ask, my answer is always going to be instead to go talk to your local doctor to get a recommendation. So how we're going to reset a forward rounded shoulder is with a push-pull exercise. You need two things. The first being a hand washing towel that is going to act as a cushion, and the next is a door frame. So I hope you have a door frame. What we're going to do is take the side that we're looking to reset or self-adjust and put the cushion or that washcloth right here right up against the door, and we're going to put our elbow directly into it. You want to position the arm and shoulder to the point where the tricep or the bottom of the arm is parallel with the floor. The hand should kind of just rest right over the shoulder. When you do this, just feel like you're kind of reaching backwards with your fingers. So I'm going to then take the opposite side leg, in this case would be my right, and I'm going to bend it, because what we're going to do is lunge into this to get a pushing sensation into the shoulder to draw it backwards. So this is the first part. I'm going to take my right hand, I'm going to place on the opposite side of the door frame, and I'm going to pull into my body weight, I should say, into the door frame. You should start to feel the shoulder start to go posterior or backwards and get a good stretch into the shoulder. Only go to your comfort level. Once you hit that, this is going to be the next part. Take your body weight and then lunge into it very, very slowly to intensify the stretch. And I'm telling you right now, this feels really good into the shoulder. I hold it to my comfort level for 15 to 30 seconds. I'm going to then relax and then do 3 to 5 repetitions. With this one, you might feel a pop or a crack sensation or self-release into the shoulder capsule, because if that shoulder is locked and drawn forward with that posterior movement, it's going to free it and kind of reset that ball and socket joint. Whatever you do, don't try to use your body weight to really lunge into it and force that release. You can actually cause more irritation. So if it pops or cracks through the natural motion of the shoulder, that's completely normal. Don't try to force it. So with this next part, we're going to focus on two big instigators of rounded shoulders, that is tight chest or pec muscles, and also the rhomboids. So what we're going to do is hit them both at the same time with this stretch. It's literally one of my favorite stretches. I do it all the time throughout the day. You go back to the door frame, you're going to take your hands, or I should say your arms, and you're going to again put your triceps at about parallel with the floor, place them directly against the door frame just like this, put your feet together, and then you're just going to use your body weight to lean into the door frame. The goal with this is should feel like a very good stretch in the front with those pec muscles, but also you should feel a stretch in the mid-back region. Those are the rhomboids, or the muscles that connect the spine to the shoulder blades, really getting a good stretch in there. It should almost feel like the shoulder blades are trying to pinch. So once I go to a stretch that feels very good to my comfort level, I hold that up to 15 to 30 seconds. Again, relax and do 3 to 5 repetitions. And hopefully this does a lot for those shoulders, helps them bring them back, gets you a lot of relief. give it a try. So if you liked the video and got a lot of relief, please show us your support by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing to our channel too. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.